In this video, we'll show you the easiest and safest way to get on and off of the toilet. First, let's look at sitting down. Stand with your back to the toilet, set your feet hip-width apart and slowly move backwards until you can feel the seat against the backs of your legs. Pull down your clothing and underwear. Place your hands on your thighs for support, look down and keep your nose over your toes as you hinge from your hips to sit down. As you bend your knees, move your hips backwards towards the rear of the toilet and slowly lower yourself down onto the seat. Now let's look at standing up. After personal hygiene, gather and bring your clothing and underwear up just over your knees. Place your feet parallel, hip-width apart and slightly behind your knees. Place your hands on your knees, holding your clothes in place to prevent them falling as you stand. Lean forwards, bringing your chin just past your toes. Keeping your nose over your toes, press into the ground with your feet and push yourself up into a standing position, being sure to keep hold of your clothing. Pull up your underwear and any clothing as you stand.